Welcome to Shet Vidya Mandir online lessons. Hello students, let's start a sum. Akshat Company Limited made an issue of 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each payable as follows. On application rupees 2 per share, on allotment 4, on first call 3 and second and final call 1. So let us add up these amounts and see if it's coming to 10, 6, 9 and 10. Now the company received applications for 15,000 shares. That means this is oversubscription. The company has made issue of 10,000 shares, but the subscription with applications were received for 15,000 shares. Application for 5,000 equity shares were rejected and the money was refunded. All the shareholders paid up to the second call except Kavita, the allottee of 1,000 equity shares, who failed to pay the final call. That means she has paid on application allotment first call. Only the last call she has not paid. Past journal entries in the books of Akshat Company Limited. So let's start solving. I have drawn a journal already. Journal of Akshat. You know the columns. Date, since the date is not given serial number. Particulars, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay. Now the first one, on application you receive money, so serial number I'll write 1, bank account debit 2. Now because it's given equity shares, I will write equity here, equity share application account. What is the amount? 15,000 into 2, so that is 30,000. What will be the narration? Being application money received on 15,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 per share. Okay. Now next you have to transfer. The application money will be transferred to share capital. So you will write, everywhere you have to write equity now. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account, and you have to refund the extra amount to bank. So how much will be this equity share application? This money 30,000. And how much is the share capital? See here, 10,000 into 2, okay, so 20,000. And how much has to be refunded? 5,000 into 2, so 10,000 has to be refunded, the extra money which was received. So you will write narration being equity share application money transferred to equity share capital and excess money refunded, and excess money refunded. Okay. Now next, after application you have allotment. Allotment is 4 rupees per share, 10,000 into 4, so that is 40,000. So you will write, first you will write number 3, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. What is the amount we just saw? 40,000. Being equity share allotment due for 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 4. So 4 into 10,000. Next, now you are going to receive, so bank account debit to equity share allotment account, same amount 40,000 being allotment money received. Already calculation is given here. Next, first call. See, first call 3 rupees per share. So 10,000 into 3, so 30,000. So you will write down number 5, equity share first call account to equity share capital. Amount 30,000. And what is the narration that you will write? Being first call money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 per share. Next, we will receive this amount. So bank account debit. So right here, what was the number? 6. Bank account debit 30,000 to equity share first call account, being amount received on first call. Already calculation we have written the narration above. Now second call is due. Let us see the amount of second call. Rupees 1 per share. So 10,000 into 1. So that is 10,000. So you will write down first equity share second call account debit 10,000 to equity share capital account 10,000. Narration being second call money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of rupee 1. Now, how much you have actually received? See, how much money you have received in bank? Kavita is not, who is the allottee of 1,000 shares, has failed to pay the final call. So, 10,000 minus 1,000, only 9,000 shares. You have got money only from 9,000 shares at the rate of rupee 1. So, bank account debit will be 9,000. Bank account debit 9,000. And how much you have not received, that is calls in arrears, 1,000. 2, equity share second call is 10,000. Now here I have combined these two entries. Alternatively, you can make two entries out of this: bank account debit to equity share second call 9,000, and second entry calls in arrears account debit to equity share second call 1,000. So here I will write being call money received on 900 equity shares at the rate of rupee 1, okay, and unpaid amount transferred to calls in arrears. Is it clear? That's all. Let's total this up. $2,20,000. So just see how we have done. First you will write journal of Akshat. You will prepare the journal nicely, and this is how you are supposed to do. Okay. We shall do more sums in our coming videos. Thank you.